In this video, we are going to look at the menu structure available in the Starlite Mobi program. The menu is accessed by the icon on the top left-hand corner, which looks like three horizontal lines. When you click on that, the menu will appear on the left-hand side of your screen, and dragging your finger on the screen, you will be able to scroll up and down on this menu. Let's look at some of the options on this menu. First of all, the home option will just bring you back to this home screen. Then the projects option, that will show you what projects you currently have saved on your mobile device. And if you want to open that project, you would simply click on that project that you want to open. Then you'll notice that the next four icons are grayed out. It is because these icons are only available when you have a project open. Then I have an option to edit my materials. Here I can have a look at my various glass codes that I have on the system. I can look at my various hardware items that are available. And finally, I can look at my different aluminium profiles that I can access on the program. Then we have our settings screen. This is settings screen is where you change your configuration for the application. So under general settings, I have a markup factor, I have a buying currency and a selling currency. We will look into these in a bit more detail when we look at the costing section of the program. Then I can specify my buying discount, and that's on profiles, hardware, and glass. So that would represent the discount that I get from my supplier. Then I can specify my selling discount. That is the discount that I'm going to offer to my customers, and that can also be controlled per job. And then finally, I have my wastage settings. And here I can specify my profile wastage, hardware wastage, and glass wastage. There's also some PDF settings. These are options that I can turn on and off in terms of whether I want to see my prices on my different order screens. I can then set my optimizer, which is my thickness of my saw blade and my wastage per length, and then some financial settings, such as whether I am VAT registered, what is the current VAT amount, my VAT number. If you are not VAT registered, you could just simply turn that off and it won't show VAT on the quotation. And then I can set up my basic company information, such as my company name, my company's registration number. Then I have 4 lines for address. I have a contact person and a contact phone number. I can then put in an email address. I can list my terms and conditions, and if I click on this button here, it will give me a screen where I can type my various terms and conditions. And finally, I can add my logo to the program. So this is a sample logo, and you can just choose the change option to select a different logo. Then I have an option to have a look at my account. So I can see, first of all, whether I have an active subscription for the premium version, that is the paid version, which gives me all of the features of the program. And then I can also check whether I'm registered and what email address I use to register the program. Then I have an option where I can go and get the premium version. So if I haven't subscribed to the Starlite Mobi program yet, these are the additional features that I'll get when I get the premium version. Then I can register. This registration only takes place once, and by registering, you will get access to all of Wispeco's extrusion systems that are available. An unregistered version will only give you access to the basic Gen X systems. Then I have an About button. This will tell me a little bit about the Starlite Mobi app. It'll give me my version number and my basic contact information. You will see just above the Got It button there, I've got link to our Facebook page, to YouTube, to the website, and then also to share the information about the Starlite Mobi app. Then I have a Help button, and this is if you are experiencing problems with the program. You can go into Help, you can read the terms and conditions, you can read our privacy policy, and you can on the right-hand side, just above the terms and conditions, you can link automatically to the email. So by clicking on that, it'll automatically fill in your email for you, and you can just type us a message if you've got a problem with support. My help screen, and then finally I have an exit button, and that exit button will just confirm, do you wish to exit? And yes, I'm exiting the program. So that is the menu structure on the Starlite Mobi program.